Brain Smart Start. How to hack your morning mind, backed by science. Have you ever felt like your brain is still buffering long after you've woken up? That mental fog, the inability to focus, the temptation to reach for your phone and scroll mindlessly? You're not alone. But what if you could program your brain for peak performance from the moment you open your eyes? Welcome to Brain Smart Start. This isn't about miracle routines or unrealistic productivity hacks. This is about understanding the operating system of your mind, your neurobiology, and using that knowledge to launch your day with clarity, energy, and purpose. By the end of this video, you'll have a science-backed toolkit to transform your mornings and, by extension, your entire day. The brain's boot-up sequence. It's not just willpower. Let's start with a fundamental truth. Your willpower in the morning is at its lowest. This isn't a personal failing, it's neuroscience. The prefrontal cortex, PFC, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, focus, and complex thought, is like the CEO of your mind. But this CEO is energy-intensive and recovers slowly overnight. When you wake up, the PFC isn't fully online yet. It's easily overridden by the more primitive, reactive parts of your brain, like the amygdala, which seeks quick gratification and avoidance of discomfort. That's why the siren call of the snooze button or social media is so powerful in the AM. You're fighting biology with willpower, and biology has a head start. The key to a brain smart start is to stop fighting and start orchestrating. You need to send the right signals to guide your brain from a sleepy, reactive state to an alert, proactive one. These signals come from your routines, your environment, and your physiology. The master switch: light, water, movement. The first hour after waking sets the tone. Your goal is to firmly signal to your brain and body: the day has begun. 3 non-negotiable levers control this. 1. Light. Resetting your circadian rhythm. Your brain has a master clock called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. It needs bright, ideally natural, light within the first 30 minutes of waking. This light suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone, and boosts cortisol, your natural alertness hormone, at the right, healthy level. It synchronizes your internal clock. Action: get outside for 5 to 10 minutes. No sunglasses. If that's impossible, use a bright light therapy lamp. Avoid checking your phone first thing. The chaotic information and blue light without context is a stressful, disorienting way to wake up the CEO of your brain. 2. Hydration, the electrical boost. Your brain is about 75% water. During sleep, you lose significant fluid through respiration. Dehydration, even mild, leads to reduced cognitive performance, poorer concentration, and increased fatigue. Before coffee, drink a large glass of water. This kickstarts metabolism, aids in toxin clearance, and improves the electrical conductivity essential for neural communication. Think of it as the essential lubricant and coolant for your biological supercomputer. 3. Movement, priming the neural pump. You don't need a full workout. Just 5 to 10 minutes of gentle movement, stretching, yoga, a brisk walk, does wonders. It increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the brain. It also triggers the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that acts like fertilizer for your neurons, promoting growth and learning readiness. It tells your body, we are awake and we are ready for action. Fueling the engine, the cognitive breakfast. You wouldn't put low-grade fuel in a high-performance car. Your brain, which consumes about 20% of your body's energy, is that high-performance vehicle. The wrong breakfast can lead to a mid-morning crash, brain fog, and irritability. The enemy is the high-glycemic breakfast, sugary cereals, pastries, white bread, fruit juices. These cause a rapid spike and then a sharp crash in blood sugar. This roller coaster stresses your brain and body, impairing focus and mood stability. The goal is stable blood glucose. Opt for a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex fiber. Examples: eggs with avocado and whole grain toast, Greek yogurt with nuts and berries, or a protein smoothie. This combination provides a slow, steady release of energy, supporting sustained cognitive function. Also, consider a small dose of caffeine, like coffee or tea, after you've hydrated and eaten, or at least 90 minutes after waking. This aligns better with your body's natural cortisol rhythm and prevents a later crash. The first cognitive task, winning the mental game. Now, with your biology primed, it's time to direct your newly alert mind. The most important rule: do not let the world dictate your first mental input. Checking email, social media, or news is a form of other people's priorities hijacking your brain. It puts you in a reactive, defensive mode from the start. Instead, invest the first 60 to 90 minutes of focused mental energy in your most important task, MIT. This is the one thing that, if completed, would make the day feel successful. Why does this work? Your willpower and focus reserves are highest in the morning after your Smart Start routine. This is called the peak phase in the Ultradian rhythm cycle. Use this time for deep work, writing, strategizing, learning a complex skill. Protect this time fiercely. Close all tabs, silence notifications, and work in a dedicated space. By accomplishing a significant task early, you create a powerful sense of momentum and achievement. This releases dopamine, the reward molecule, which reinforces the positive behavior and motivates you to continue. Managing energy, not just time, the Ultradian rhythm. A brain smart start isn't just about the first hour. It's about setting up a sustainable rhythm for the day. Your brain doesn't operate on a constant 8-hour stretch. It works in roughly 90-minute Ultradian cycles of high focus followed by a need for recovery. Pushing through the natural dip leads to mental fatigue, errors, and burnout. After a 90-minute focused work session, take a deliberate brain break, not switching to another cognitive task like social media. A true break. Get up, move, look at something distant to rest your eyes, hydrate, or do a short mindfulness exercise. Even 5 to 10 minutes can reset your cognitive capacity. Listen to your body's signals. Fidgeting, loss of concentration, hunger are cues to pause. Schedule your most demanding work for your personal biological peak, usually morning for most, and use lower focus periods for administrative tasks, meetings, or creative brainstorming. This is energy management, and it's far more effective than brutal time management. So, let's recap the Brain Smart Start protocol. Light and signal. Get bright light first thing. No phone chaos. Hydrate. Drink a large glass of water before anything else. Move gently. 5 to 10 minutes of activity to prime the body and brain. Fuel smart. Eat a balanced, low glycemic breakfast for steady energy. Seize the peak. Protect the first 90 minutes for your most important deep work. Rhythm, not marathon. Work with your 90-minute Ultradian cycles, taking real breaks. This isn't about being rigid. It's about creating a scaffold of habits that support your brain's natural biology. By consistently aligning with these principles, you train your brain to expect performance, focus, and clarity. You move from being a passenger in your own mind to becoming its skilled pilot. Your brain is your most valuable asset. Learning how to optimize it is the ultimate high-leverage skill. If you found this deep dive into your morning mind valuable, imagine what we could explore next. From the neuroscience of habit formation to the psychology of decision-making, Book Speed Peak is your channel for turning complex book-based knowledge into actionable, life-changing insights. Don't let another morning go to buffering. Take control of your start. And to get more insights like this delivered straight to you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because your smartest brain starts here. Thanks for watching.